Okay, quick life update. I got a dog. His name is Django. He's awesome. He loves to play. He loves to go to the dog park. He runs around. He's full of energy. I love him. Jess loves him. I built a drift sim. I try to play it as much as possible since I'm not drifting so much in real life. The FRS, it's been nothing but issues. I've caused issues of my own. There's issues mechanically. I had to get it retuned because my tuner decided not to respond at all. The 350Z has had issues of its own. I sold the BMW. Is that it? I don't know. So you know how it is. Life happens. You get sidetracked from your priorities that you once set, and then before you know it, you have strayed so far away from your goals and have taken a couple steps backwards. And as much as I know that I say I'm gonna come back, make videos, be consistent, I've learned to just accept how it is. I love making videos, don't get me wrong, but I always bite off more than I can chew. You know, I've done this and...
This guy stinks!
Because I know at the end of the day, you guys don't really give a shit. You just want to be entertained with YouTube videos, and I get that. I want to be entertaining to you, but not at my expense. Nonetheless, the YouTube videos, where the hell did they go? Sorry, I know I have that issue with staying on top of keeping you guys updated. Consistency is really one of my weak suits, strong suits, opposite of strong suits, weak suits, because I always take on more than I can chew. I take on projects, while I have projects that are incomplete, it just piles up, and it gets to a point to where nothing gets done. And as much as I could sit here and apologize for the lack of videos, I ain't sorry. I make videos for my own sake, because I think it's fun. And when it gets to a point where the video making becomes a chore, it takes the fun out of it. Am I gonna stop making videos? No. Am I gonna continue to be inconsistent with my videos? I hope not. But what I'm trying to do is make sure that I don't take on too much and ultimately get distracted or sidetracked from really the ultimate goal of just having fun. So just please bear with me. I know it's a lot to say that you guys should stick around, because if you want more videos, you can find them elsewhere. But that little ADHD in me definitely doesn't help when you try to stay on top and stay consistent with projects and video making. So with that said, just needed to put this out there. I love you guys for the ones that have stuck around. You guys rock. And yes, just stay tuned. I promise you, can only go up from here. That's all I got for you now. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.